going to the Frank Ensign collectible show, which goes down Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday, I believe. Just want to go ahead and vlog this for you guys and show you guys some of the stuff inside, along with what Mark is gonna grab. Isaac might grab some stuff. I'm just here for the vibes. But yeah, catch y'all on the inside.
So this was the one that started it for me. After Detective Pikachu, this was the chase card, the Reshiram Charizard tag team. So that's the rainbow, that's the regular version.